Hey folks, just a quick video today on how I made a piece of trim to mount my Ring doorbell without having to pull my front door molding off my house. My front doorbell was about 32 inches high, but the Ring doorbell needs to be about 42 to 48 inches high. So I needed to move my bell wire up at least 10.5 inches to be at the right height, but I didn't want to pull my front door molding off just to move the bell wire up this little amount. And here's how I did it. I simply got a piece of 3.5 inch wide by 1/4 inch by 24 inch poplar from Home Depot for about $8. I cut it in half exactly at 12 inches. Now I have two 12-inch pieces. I marked the center line of each one and put a decorative radius, what I knew would be the finished radius, on both ends. Then at 1.25 inch in, you make two 1/2 inch holes right on the center line of what will be the base piece. Then with your jigsaw, you connect the two holes and you have this nice slot in the bottom piece. On the top layer, you simply drill a 3/16 hole that will be where your bell wire comes out. Now your two pieces look like this. Now you just simply glue them together, make sure they're all lined up, you clamp the heck out of it so it stays flat during the drying process. You take your jigsaw and you make the cuts that you mark for the dress radius. This is what your finished piece looks like. The 1/2 inch in, you just put two 3/16 mounting holes here. And now you're ready for final sanding and paint. Then when you're ready to install, you simply add 12 inches of bell wire to your existing doorbell. You mount it over with some dress rings. You mount your Ring doorbell base plate, and you are all set to go. And this is what it looks like, and you haven't ripped apart the front of your house. If you like this video, please leave a like. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.